And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a linear sinusoid pattern. Sounds complex, but it's easy to do. It's going to be rendered on a layer that you've got active before using this function. You can find it under filter, render pattern, and there it is. Check the preview. And we've got two offsets. This one's for the X and Y axis, so it's pushing it left, right, top, down. And the other one, it offsets the pattern. So there's a difference. You can see that right here. The black parts get smaller or bigger depending on how you use this offset function. The X and Y phase, it's basically a diagonal offset. X and Y period is for the size of this pattern. And obviously you can uncheck the link icon and affect only one of these values. The amplitude, it affects the blur. And the angle is the most important factor here. If you go to 0 or 180 degrees, you've got stripes, and in between it's going to get morphed until you've got these squares that are rotated 90 degrees. And finally we can also rotate it like this. The super sampling, in most cases it doesn't have an effect at all, so we can just omit it. Let's confirm it, and this is how you can create such a linear sinusoid pattern in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.